उल्टा तू उल्टा उल्टा 1 2 Day 3. What's the time? Almost 11. We're starting from Sarthal today, heading towards Kishtwar. We stopped here yesterday because there was a nala on the way which was super full, and all these boys here came back from it and their bikes messed up now. So hopefully we don't have that much issue today. Let's go.
Let's go.
Goodbye to this little beautiful place called Sarthal. Beautiful terrain, beautiful place. Don't expect any fancy stays here, like only the basic stuff. And yeah, you'll find a lot of this happening here. Just cute little horses chilling, grazing. It was pretty cold last night, and now we're sweating. Pretty extreme weather. I mean, in the mountains it's obvious. Till the sun's out, it's nice, warm, hot. Once the sun is down, then the fun starts. I wanna have the skills to like ride up those trails right there. That'd be something. A two-stroke, nice brap 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 brap. Oh, look at this view. We've just started the day. It's not been even 10 minutes and I'm stopping for a view. And the first view of snow up there. It's very new, it's very recent. It's only from day before night. It looks beautiful. I've already sent the boys first. Now my turn. Easy peasy, baby. Forgot what these are called, but yeah, don't ride in them. And if you're in them, just go with them. Don't try coming out. Almost made it and almost went off. I'm up from this shortcut. And now I'm very tempted to go up here. The only problem is very wet, so it's slipping a lot. Easy, easy, chora. Just look at the size of that bark. That is huge. Exactly dude, कहाँ देखे और कहाँ नहीं देखे और सब जगह देखे तो बाइक कैसे चलाए. देखना ब्रो कितना फोर्स होगा कि झाड़ तोड़ दिया बीच में से. Look at this tree. चल चल go for it. Hey, nine. उल्टा तू उल्टा. 1 2 1 2 3 up. निकालेगा. रुक जा. 4th गियर में क्या कर रहा है? गियर डाउन कर. Grandpa, Papa, I don't want to fall, but if I do, it's fine. That was the right line. And after that whole river crossing, we rested there for a while to dry ourselves up. These are honeybees. There's honeybees inside, and there's a lot of them here. Holy fuck. Oh, look at that, I almost missed. Oh my god. Look at that. Such beautiful winding roads throughout the valley. From there, all of that, the river crossing there. It's literally what the map showed. So this is what had, oh my god, so they've cleared this up. Whole mountain had come down apparently. Goodbye to this beautiful valley. See you someday again. Oh, so if you can see this is the whole landslide because of which we were not able to pass from there. But now finally they've cleared up and it's right before a pass. I can just see the pass and I'll be there in a minute, waiting for the boys to come up. For the past 2 days we've only been climbing. Finally we've started descending now. Our first glimpse of snow on the road. super filthy, but well, at least we got to see some. Oh, again I forgot to take a picture of the food. It's there on my Insta though. Had some nice, simple, quick bread omelette, and now we're heading towards Kishtwar. What a beautiful town. Okay, we're going to go Kishtwar right now, and the roads are really bad. I mean, not even the kind of bad I enjoy. This is just annoyingly bad. Plus there's all of this little pebbles. It's called bajri. It's on the road. Makes riding a lot more tedious. A little extra brake and it'll throw your bike off. We're about 40 kilometers away from Kishtwar, and the roads are just horrible. And bad roads are not the problem, just the under construction roads and the detours. Bad roads, y'all know I enjoy. But it's just this under construction roads are very taxing. I don't know why. Again in a very beautiful, overcrowded small village in the mountains, and there is a traffic jam, and we have finally entered the Kishtwar district. I don't know if you have noticed or not, but did you see how the scenery has changed? Like how the mountains have changed. Like from lush green they've become like an arid green, and from tall pine trees to like smaller trees in size. And finally, we've arrived in Chamba. What Chamba? Kishtwar. And I'm just tired, honestly.